Hey everyone, welcome to art class with Mrs. LaCourse. Today we are going to be doing a drawing of three birds that are standing on top of each other to get to a flower. So, you ready? Here we go. You're going to need a pencil, a paper, and something to color with. So, our drawing is going to be this. Alright, so we are going to start in the middle of our paper up here, and we're going to do this weird shape like this. So it's almost like a circle with a curved triangle at the end, or almost an eyeball even. It's okay if you just do a circle, an oval. It's up to you. We're gonna give it an eyeball and a triangle off the front for a beak. And remember the shape that we just did? We're gonna do a smaller one for a wing. And again, if you just want to do kind of like a regular teardrop shape or a triangle for a wing, you can do that too. At the end, I'm gonna do a couple of pointed ovals like that. And then I'm gonna do 3 lines off of his head with a little circle at the end. And 2 short legs. All right, now we're gonna go to the one below it. We're gonna touch both of the legs, so if you need to make it happen like that. And we're gonna do this same shape, but in the other direction. So we're gonna come around and up a little bit, come around down and meet at the point. Give it the eyeball and a beak, and make sure your eyeball is close to this line. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the wing, the same kind of a shape. And again, if you wanna do more of a triangle, you can do that. And then a teardrop, like that. And then 2 more legs coming down. We're gonna do one more bird. So let's draw the legs first. So we'll draw the legs coming off of the back so we know where the belly is supposed to be. So we'll start at the belly and kind of draw that line, come around, down and up. Meet it together up there. Eye close to the line up top with the triangle for a beak. And the same shape for a wing or a triangle. And then those teardrops at the end of the tail. And if you want to do another little sprig of hair at the top of this one, you can. You can do it on this one too. I just wanted one without. If you want to add some designs to the wing, you can draw some designs to the wing. Maybe this. And like that. And then we're going to draw a line for the ground. All right. We're going to do a half circle at the top. And we're going to make the flower with 5 petals. If you want more, you can do more. Like that. And then my stem, it's going to be a wavy stem that comes down to the bottom. And the stem can't just be a line, it has to take up space. And then some leaves off to the side. And maybe I want a worm coming up here. You don't have to do the worm, that's just a little added extra something. And then I got a lot of space over here, so if you want to stop there, that's fine, but I wanted to add another flower because I want it to be balanced. So if this was a scale, this is the center of your paper, it's really heavy on this side with drawing stuff, but it's very empty over here, so that's what I mean by balance. So I'm going to do another flower. You don't have to. like that. And a wavy line down for the stem. And again, you need 2 lines because it needs to take up space for it to look like a stem. It can't just be a line. And then your leaves. And then I did a bumblebee at the top of mine. So it's just a circle and an oval with black lines, a stinger, and 2 wings. And then a caterpillar at the bottom, which they're just connected circles. And this caterpillar is very interested in climbing up this flower. And give it each leg, each part of the body, like that. If you want to add a little more detail in the leaves, you can. So it's just a line out with a line on each side. And then the last thing, if you want to, is just a dash line trail of where the bee has been, like that. And then when you're done with that, you can paint, you can color, you can use whatever material you want to. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed your art class. I miss you guys. Take care.